I saw this Jeep pass me before. It's
20 of the
occupied
shots?
times 1, so all we know is
Stay
1.
to the right of the
Yeah,
DOC.
the guy, it was a king, and he's over there dead on the road, so...
Yeah, he was in
Trying to wait
this
SD's
car
orders.
with them.
Yeah, well, he's over there dead.
Oh, okay. That's the occupant. Okay, okay. Yeah, he was just going inside as well. He did not shoot.
Hey, Brian is down.
You want me to drive with doors open? You can follow.
We want to push in now that we have all
yelling
this
for
backup
help.
here.
Do you guys want us
Right, follow the car.
I'm ready
Yeah,
to go when you guys
yeah.
are ready to go.
hold on. Sock, let's
All right.
Where's all my SOC guys at? Come to the gate. Let's go.
We'll go
We're on our way
behind
right
you
now.
guys, since you guys are more geared than we are.
All right,
Okay,
hold on. Let's wait.
listen.
Wait.
Wait, chill.
Let's go.
We're waiting for 2 more people.
Move,
Right there.
Let me go front. Let me go front.
All right, all my SOC guys, find a partner, buddy up, and move with that partner. Don't go alone.
Yeah, that's
We're gonna have one SD with a car. Follow the car from behind. You're not gonna be able to get past that. There's no point.
There we go. He's in.
All right, we're pushing him.
Watch right. I'm gonna move to the right of this Jeep.
Watching right side. You watch my left. Watching left. Shots.
Top of the house.
Shots on the roof. Shots on the roof.
SMG.
He's on the roof.
That's an SMG. I'm gonna go grab
Right
mine
side.
from my house.
I'm hit.
Yeah. I have no eyes.
Don't move this car.
Well, shit, a taser's not gonna help me. What the fuck?
Oh,
Don't go down. I'm grabbing my SMG.
Yep, the assailant's on the roof of the house. It
How many,
seems
just
to be
one?
one. Just one.
Big.
Armed with an SMG.
I'm gonna call for 7 actual come in.
Lost. He's still on
Shots
the roof.
fired on the right. Oh, the estate. Just
Here,
leaving the DOC
if you get
to the
hit, just
right.
push out.
I'm with
If you get hit, just
ETA
push
5
out.
mics on my way back.
Just run out straight behind the Jeep. And go get
They
up.
What's the exact 20?
Mine,
DOC to the right.
ref is gonna be 044067.
Alright. SOC's breaching the building now.
Be
All
advised,
my
yes,
SOC,
an
get to the
SMG.
building. Cabin, get into the building. We're breaching.
I'm grabbing my SMG. I live right down the street.
Yeah, there's nothing I can do. I'm just staying back here now. The SOG's gonna get it with the SMG.
No, he should be up.
He's down.
He's down.
Oh.
Please don't shoot me.
Oh, he just left.
That's Marshall's on the roof. Confirm.
He left his box out. He got 8 rooks in here. You can go and roll some detectives in here to the house.
C Grant, you on freak?
Did the suspect spoof or is he still down?
He's poofed. Just so everyone's aware, he had some SMG rounds, 8 rooks, and 5 tasers.
What an idiot.